or this go too far under.
Whether it be bass. Good morning, YouTube. It is October 30th. We are having an epic fail of morning this morning. There's so many things to do in fall. Hunt, fish, pretty much anything. So it's hard for me at this time of year to decide what to do. We were gonna go hunt and finish out the season for elk and deer. I had a couple tags that I was trying to fill. We ex-nayed that because it was a 4-hour drive. Decided we were gonna go to Spinney Mountain Reservoir. That didn't happen because we slept through our alarm. And so we made these really crappy microwavable sausages that I'm pretty sure don't digest in your stomach. And we're on our way to Deckers to fly fish. Fishing really in Deckers right now hasn't heated up until midday because the water's a little bit colder, the flows are a little bit lower, and so best fishing starts later in the day, probably 9 or 10 a.m. Once that water warms up, the fish will really start getting active. Thanks for staying tuned, and let's see if we can catch some fish today at Deckers.
All right, we got Michelle over here on the dry fly, and I've got a nymph rig set up. Try to see if we can get into something. Okay, I'm just gonna move down from you a little bit. So I just got on a massive tangle, but now I am putting on an elk hair caddis, and I'm going to put either a Trico or a midge behind it. Can see it a little bit better. I'm afraid with how low the flows are, they're noticing our indicators. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the elk hair caddis. Guy right here. I'm just gonna tie a little trailer off the back of it and put on something else. God, I suck so bad at this. What?
They moved. But I did not get them. Oh, I had them.
Did you?
Yes.
Look like it. Nice job, though. It's all right. That happens. Oh, I had one. Missed him. There you go. What the are they eating? I can't figure them out. I got nothing smaller than this. I give up. I don't know what to do. I seriously have no idea. I know what they are. I just, for some reason, I can't match it.
Bit. Look at it.
Yeah, I think you actually did.
I told you I did.
If we don't catch a fish, I'm gonna be so bummed we didn't go after a freaking elk today. There's a big dead one right there. That's a brookie. See, I knew there was brooks. Oh, I missed him. Oh.
Alright guys, you know how it goes per usual. Catch a fish when the GoPro's dead. We got a nice healthy rainbow here. I'd say he's about 15 inches or so. Really fat, thick, great color. He ate that little brown midge. So we're gonna go ahead and snap a quick photo here and get a release on him. Great little first fish of the day.
All right, we ran back to the car, switched out the GoPro battery. He just saw my bubble and just turned right from it. He was going for it, saw the bubble and turned away. So now I'm gonna pull it off and try it. Ooh, there's a big guy right here, babe. A big one right here. Last attempt and then I'm done. Can't figure them out. Clearly the fish won today. I have no idea what they're eating. We're gonna pack it up and call it quits. Got one, got a couple more bites, lost them on the barbless hooks, but overall, pretty confusing day out on the water, so guess we'll hit them next time. Thanks for watching. So you came to the channel, you liked what you saw. If you could do me one more thing before you leave and just click the subscribe button right here, that'll help me out a lot. Oh yeah, let's get in.